This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a quick look at the department hash and department shift functions on the XE-A307 register. So on the machine as standard you have 20 sales departments, and if you're selling an item through departments 1 to 20 it's straightforward. You simply type in the price and then hit the appropriate department key. But how do you sell through departments 21 to 40? That's fairly straightforward as well. You use the department shift function, so you enter the price and then instead of pressing the department button straight away you hit department shift, then the appropriate button. So to sell through department 39 you press department 19. You've also on the 307 got departments 41 to 99. So how do you sell through these? This is where the department hash button comes in, and the way this works is you type in the department number first, so department 80 for example, and then hit the department hash sign and it asks you to enter the price. You enter the price without entering any decimal point and then press the TLNS button and that'll add that department sale. So that's how to use department hash and department shift on the XE-A307. I hope you found that video useful. There's other videos appearing on screen now which you're welcome to watch, showing you how to get the best out of the 307 register. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.